Hello there. Welcome to today's preparatory class video for our website design masterclass. In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you're going to be learning from the website design masterclass. I want you to watch this video till the end so that you won't miss out on any vital information I have placed in this video for you. Now, I want you to also do me a favor, please. This is one of my videos I just uploaded. I want you to like the video and also subscribe to my channel so that more people can be able to view the video and view more content like this. Also, by subscribing, when I post videos, tech related videos on my channel, you'll be notified. When you click the notification bell icon, you'll be notified of the videos I upload. If you have not done that, please kindly just take out 1 second, click the subscribe button, like the video, click on notification bell as well. Thank you. All right, so introduction. What are you going to be learning in this website design class? And what is even a website? A website is a collection of various web pages that is hosted on the internet and can be viewed worldwide. And what you're going to be learning from this class is how to build a full website without writing a single line of code. Yes, I said that. Without you writing a single line of code. Everything you're going to be doing is going to be done using templates and themes, which I'm also going to provide. I'm going to make them available for you when you join the website design masterclass. So that's just a brief introduction of what we are going to be doing in a website design class. And then another thing I want to show you is what will be your prerequisites. What are you going to be needing for the website design masterclass? You're going to be needing a good laptop. Yes. Any laptop that can run normal Office, which is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and it's quite fast, can do this class very well. So irrespective of the laptop you're using, as long as it's working well and can connect to the internet, then you are good to go. Then number 2, you need a good internet connection. Because the class is going to be done live and we wouldn't want network interruption, network challenges. So get a good internet. And then number 3, your notepad, either a digital notepad or your notebook. Any of them we do, so you take down notes and jottings. And another important prerequisite is you don't need any knowledge about website design, programming, or computer science to do this course and become a very good website designer. You don't need it. You don't. I've seen a lot of people who were not computer science students, computer science graduates, who even had zero knowledge about website design and they are building websites. So you don't need any of that. All you need to do is to be willing to learn, and you are going to learn it very well. Now, what's the next thing? Types of websites. What are the type of websites you are going to be learning in this website design masterclass? I have drawn out a little bit of examples of websites that you are going to be learning in this course, and here are they. This is an e-commerce store. You're going to learn how to build a website like this. I mean, everything that you see here, you are going to design it without writing any single line of code, including the buttons, including the cat icon, including the images. And then we talk about the menu. You can see it had an hover style, the product, all these animation styles that you see here. You're going to learn how to do all of these things, and you're going to do them yourself. You're going to learn how to create a product that you can add to cart, create different columns for your product, create a flash sale, different things. Every of these things that you see here, you're going to learn how to build them. It's not difficult. All you need is the right knowledge. Once you have the right knowledge, you'll be able to do it yourself. And this is just one website that you're going to be building. You're also going to learn how to build a content management site like this. Even though this e-commerce store is also a content management website. A lot of businesses are going online now, and they want to have an e-commerce store. They want to sell their products, whether digital or physical product. They want to host them online. And then you, as a professional website designer, know what to put, the color combination, their brand. I'm going to teach you how to combine colors, how to match your website colors with their branding colors so that everything will blend well. And when you are talking, when you are giving them your bill, like you're charging too much, but then you know what you are doing. I'm going to learn how to create domain names like this, how to add this extension, what kind of domain name you should use. You don't just choose domain name anyhow. How to even host the website on the internet. How to register your domain name so that nobody on earth will be able to use that same exact domain name that you are using alongside with you. So you're going to learn how to build a content management site like this. Add some image slides, the background, so that when they are in your own page, you'll be able to, different images will be showing, and then you're going to learn how to build landing pages. Even if you are a business person and you want to create adverts on Facebook or wherever, you may need to create landing pages, and this will be your best shot. So I'm going to learn how to do all of these. You can see this one was built by Mayorwise Technologies, powered by Mayorwise Technology, including the other ones. But we are going to be learning how to do all of these things. I mean, you can build a website in one day. In one day, you can build a website. This is also another content management site with a lot of animations on them. It's not, let me turn it on so that you can see it very well. So you have these something connected so that you can see what we're talking about. Okay, good. So let's refresh this, and then you see how the website looks like. I want you to have a feel of what the website looks like. It has a lot of animations in it. Okay, this is it. So the animations there, you learn how to put in animations like this on your website. Quite easy, not difficult. All the codes has been written for you. All you are going to be doing is to just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. And what software are we going to be using? We're going to be using WordPress. You can read more about WordPress. That's going to be the software we're going to be using to create this website. I'm also going to use an offline server. So this offline server is going to enable us to build the website offline and then afterwards upload it online. So those are some of the things we are going to be learning in this our class. And then the next thing is, what are the opportunities that are available for you as a website designer? What are the opportunities that are available for you as a website designer? We have you can work as a freelancer, right? Yes, you can work as a freelancer. so that you build websites for people based on demand. You can also get a job to work for different people. People call you and they require your services and be like, oh, come help us do this, come help us do that. You can also get a job to do all of these things. So those are some of the opportunities that are available for you. Then professionalism, going to be teaching you how to become a professional in this field, not just build websites, but to be a professional in it. To be a professional so that you can build from scratch to finish, and people will look at your work and be like, yeah, this person really did a good job. And then I'm going to add you to a closed WhatsApp group where I'll be sending you updates, updated themes, updated content. I'll still be guiding you even after the 4 weeks on different things in case you lose your path, just to make sure that you get everything thoroughly. Now, if you're interested in joining the masterclass, the account details is available. You can just click on the link to join the masterclass.